Hello to you. I'm Jesse Johnson. This is Astronomy. Is 96% to 97% false science built on the reversal of scientific fact. The reversal of scientific fact. The heliocentric religion model of a universe is a political and economic reversal of scientific fact. Number one, for the purpose of power over others. Political, that is. Number two, for the purpose of making highly dumbed down billions of mindless slaves for a capitalist system. Dumbed down slaves that don't know they're slaves. Dumbed down, extreme, brainwashed. Economically, that is. They don't know they're slaves 10 to 12 times over, using 10 to 12 methods of enslavement. One of the most powerful ways to enslave the human mind is to give it a completely false cosmology. Hold on, please. To give it a false cosmology, where only the extreme few know the truth, and the billions live in a cloud of lies from early childhood to death, destroying each other's lives mercilessly. The heliocentric religion model came around in full force approximately 600 years ago in Europe, which is not a continent. That is correct. Europe is not a continent. It is one of the greatest lies of all time. Europe is a political boundary only. And it is on every map to see, point blank. Created by, politically speaking, mainly the white man. The white man who teaches the heliocentric religion rubbish to his own children and to the next white man. The most gullible and ignorant man to the white man is the next white man. The actual universe is, in fact, the opposite of what you've been taught, literally. The reversal of scientific fact is similar to world climactic change. Number one, the scientists say it is the case. The politicians and the economists, for power and money, respectively, say it is not the case. Humans have been pumping waste gases into the Earth's gaseous layers for 120 years. Coal and oil derivatives for 120 years worldwide. Number two, changing weather patterns by using electromagnetic high-frequency wave heating in the upper layers, and spraying poisonous chemicals using jets for over 30 years. Then, using political and economic methods of denying it while doing it. Belittling fact tellers or people who tell the truth of this. Censoring it on all mass medias. Destroying evidence, etc. while committing it. Astronomy is not science, but falsehoods passing and masquerading as science. In other words, astronomy is in fact a pseudoscience, a false science, and it has almost everyone fooled, except for those still able to, in fact, think for themselves. Let's begin with the sun. Hold on, please. I am going to move the camera. To continue, we'll start with the sun. Political and economic reversal of scientific fact. The sun. Number one, the sun is large, 865,000 miles in diameter. This is false. The truth? The sun is small, 42 to 48 miles in diameter. Number 2, the sun is a large ball of compressed plasma. That is false. The truth, the sun is the closest thing to a perpetual machine. Number 3, the sun is a star. That's false. The truth, the sun is not a star. The sun is not a star. The sun is a self-luminous lamp. It is the closest thing to a perpetual machine. Number 4, the sun is 93 million miles from Earth. That's false. The truth, the sun is 1,651.29 miles above Earth when circling the equator. This is found using basic trigonometry's angle of elevation. We'll go to the moon. Number 1, the moon is a solid spherical rock. That's false. The truth, the moon is a hollow shell. Number 2, the moon reflects the sun's light. That is false. The truth, the moon is a self-luminous system. Number 3, the moon's phases are caused by the sun. That is false. The truth, the moon has its own built-in phases. Number 4, the moon has been landed on using rockets. That is false. The truth is that it is an impossibility to reach the moon with rockets. Number 5, the moon is 4.5 billion years old. That is false. The truth, the moon is less than 500,000 years old, more closer to 50,000 years old. Number 6, the moon always had craters. That is false. The truth, the craters are less than 100,000 years old. Once the moon had a smooth surface. We'll go to number 7. The moon revolves around the Earth. That is false. The truth, the moon revolves above the surface of the flat Earth. Number 8. The moon is 239,000 miles from Earth. That is false. The truth, the moon is approximately 1,600 miles above the Earth. Number 9. The moon is a spherical ball shape. That is false. The truth, the moon is a multi-angle, 1/4 spherical shell. Number 10. The truth, in the beginning, the moon was smooth. Hold on. Number 11. Number 11. The moon is made of 100% rock and dirt. That is false. The truth, the moon is made of approximately 90% cosmic plasma. Number 12, the moon is solid. False. The truth, the moon is a small fraction of the stated mass that you'll find in all books. Number 13, the moon causes high tides on Earth. That is false. The truth, high tides are caused by the regulated timed field effects. Number 14, the moon is smaller than the sun. The truth, that's false. The truth, the sun and moon are the same size. Number 15, the truth, the moon has its own rotation axis. Number 16, the Earth holds the moon in place by gravity. That is false. The truth, gravity do not exist. Number 17, the moon's craters are caused by bombardment. That is false. The truth, the moon's craters were caused by plasmic bolt arc lightning several tens of thousands of years ago. 18. Ancient documents and folklore speaks the truth. There was a time before the moon was up there in the sky. The Zulus of Africa called these people Chitahure race, or extraterrestrial reptilian race. The Bible, the Holy Bible that is, you can go to Job, Job 25:5. That's 25th verse, the 25th chapter, 5th verse. And Psalms, the 72nd chapter, 5th verse. There was a time when the moon was not up in the sky. We'll go now to the stars. We'll start with number 1. The stars are light years away. That is false. The truth, light years do not exist in our small universe. Neither do galaxies, quasars, black holes, exoplanets, big bangs, little bangs, etc. The truth, the stars are 10,000 to 500,000 miles away. Number 2, the stars are hot balls of gravitationally compressed plasma. That is false. The truth, the stars are mountains of cybermatic crystal rocks with a huge amounts of energy passing through them. Number 3, the stars are large. That is false. The truth, the stars are small, a few hundreds to a few thousands of miles big. Number 4, the stars are extreme hot. That is false. The truth, the stars are cool, like the moon. Number 5, the stars are spherical, like a ball. That's false. The truth, real stars are round, 6-sided, 8-sided, rectangular, etc., and can be seen. To be so, with 80x magnification to 300x magnification zoom lens cameras or refractive telescopes. Let us continue, please. Let us go to the earth. Number 1, the earth is ball-shaped surfaced. That is incorrect. That is untrue. The truth, the earth's surface is flat. Number 2, the earth is small. That is false. And that is 24,900 miles in circumference. That is false. The truth, the earth is much larger than 24,901 miles in circumference. Number 3, the earth has 2 poles. That is false. Earth has 5 poles: north, south, east, west, central, north pole, central, south pole. Number 4, the earth is solid. That is false. The truth is that the earth has hollowness to it. Number 5, the earth revolves around the sun. That is incorrect. The truth, it is physically impossible for the earth to centripetal force revolve around the sun. Number 6, earth is rotating 10,037 miles per hour. That is untrue. The truth is that earth is stationary. Number 7, gravity holds things down. This is false. The truth is that gravity do not exist. The earth's field force, or the EFF, do, which is 16 feet a second, 16 feet in the first second, and 16 feet a second squared in all following seconds. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Please share this video. Share this video and have a very, very nice day.